welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making chicken taco bake. First I'm gonna mix the spices. A half a teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon or so chili powder, the same for smoked paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and coriander powder. I have a baking dish here, 2 cups of dry pasta, I'm gonna put a little bit of dry leek, about a tablespoon. Next, going to be the chicken. I'm using canned chicken. I'm gonna save the broth for something else. I'm gonna break these up in smaller pieces. Next, I'm gonna drain my canned corn. That out. Some dried parsley. You can also use cilantro. I'll put on the spice mix. A good pinch of salt. Tomato sauce. I recall I used 2 cups of dried pasta. I'm gonna take 2.5 cups of tomato juice. Or tomato sauce. Whatever you want to call this. And I'm going to see if I need to add some more later. If it gets too dry, I'm going to cover this with foil and then start baking it on 350 for half an hour, and then we'll check on it. I cooked this for 50 minutes on 350, and you can see that it still has a little bit of liquid in it, which is perfect, but the pasta is almost done. It's probably need a couple of more minutes, but at this point I'm gonna top this with cheese. I'm gonna take it out of the oven. I already shredded some cheese. This is a mixture of Swiss and cheddar, about 5 ounces. I'm gonna put this back into the oven for about 5 minutes uncovered. I just want the cheese to melt. All right, let's dish this up. Of course, the usual sour cream on the top. A little more chives. And a little bit of decoration. Here's the final result. Nice, melty, cheesy, quick pasta dinner. Enjoy! See you next time! Not bad.